10 years from now, ganito pa rin kaya tayo.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, forever and ever!
Promise?
Promise.
You would always ask me those words.
Basha, bumangon ka na. MRT day today, baka malate ka na naman. Bawal kolesterol. Masama sa katawan. Sabi ko naman sa'yo, kung di mo dinala yung kotse mo, hindi ka sana naperwisyo.
Poy, kaya ko na.
Ako na.
Tigilan mo na yung Poy, kaya ko na.
Ako na.
Popoy, kaya ko na. Popoy! I don't even know kung tama tong ginagawa ko. Pero alam ko kailangan ko na tapusin to.
Basha, mahal mo pa ba ako?
Poy, I'm so sorry.
Come to me and hold me, and you will see.
When love ends,
5 years! Itatapon mo lang lahat?
Kailangan ko to. Kailangan mo rin.
Pero ikaw ang kailangan ko.
If kaya pang ayusin, pipilitin. But if this is really what both of you need, then just be strong. Magiging mahirap at masakit, pero hopefully, all the pain will be worth it.
how long should you hold on?
5 seconds lang. Promise. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Please. 5.
I'll never go far away from you.
How soon should you let go?
Bash?
Popoy, this is Mark, bago kong office mate. Mark, si Popoy.
Mark, pare. Not so nice to meet you.
Ba't pakating-kating ang palitan ako?
Tama na, please.
Tama na.
Malaki lang ang katawan mo, pero hindi mo kayang patumbahin.
Popoy, umuwi ka na!
Mahal kita. At ang sakit na.
How do you move on?
Hoy, ano yan? Ano titingnan mo? Ano yan? Ito kasi si Chino. Ikaw, binigyan mo pa kay Kenneth.
Bagong baby ni Popoy.
Are you okay, Bash? Si Trisha, girlfriend ko. Trisha, si Bash.
Ako naman may gusto nito, di ba? Pero bakit ang sakit-sakit? Ang totoo, hanggang ngayon umaasa pa rin ako na sabihin mo sa akin na ako pa rin. Ako na lang. Ako na lang ulit.
She loved me at my worst. You had me at my best. And you chose to break my heart.
From Star Cinema comes a story about how true love waits for, hopes for, and needs one more chance. November 14, 2007. For anyone who has ever loved and lost.